guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be making creamy risotto with sausage. This was so delicious and I hope you enjoyed it.
If ever I had a video.
These are the ingredients we're going to be using, guys. This is Parmesan cheese, smoked fish, sausage, black pepper, salt, 1 onion, dry white wine, vegetable broth, and the result, a good quality rice. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is to add half a tablespoon of butter into the pan and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin of olive oil. Allow the butter to melt. Now I'm going to add the onion, allow them to saute for a couple of minutes before adding the rice. Okay, now I'm adding the rice into the onion. I'm going to roast the rice for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the vegetable broth. And for the cheese, I'm using smoked cheese, which is called scamosa fumicato in Italian, but you can use any smoked cheese of your choice. Okay. Alright guys, I started adding the vegetable broth into the rice. You know that risotto requires your attention. You have to stand there, you have to add the water a bit by bit. You don't want to add all of them at the same time. So I'm going to continue adding the broth, not water, the vegetable broth into the rice until they are halfway cooked. But I'm also going to be adding black pepper. You can add them at the beginning or at the end of the cooking, depends your choice. Okay. Alright guys, now it's time to add the sausage. I'm going to add the sausage now. Stir everything and continue adding the broth into the rice. The other ingredient, which is cheese, are going to be coming at the end. What I love to do is after adding the last vegetable broth, I put the lid on and allow them to stay for over low heat for 2 minutes. Then take the lid off, stir them, and after stirring them, I'm going to be adding the cheese at this point. Yes, so I'm going to throw in the smoked cheese and the Parmesan cheese as well. Stir everything together on a low heat. Don't worry about the melting because the heat that comes from the rice will melt this cheese totally. Okay, so I love to turn up the heat the moment I start adding the cheese. Okay, so I'm going to stir everything, and guys, we are done. This rice was so delicious and I hope you give it a try. Like you can never go wrong with this creamy delicious risotto with smoked cheese and sausage, and the taste of that smoked cheese is everything, like everything. I hope you give this video a try. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.